everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the prepayments in Odoo 18 sales module. Prepayments are costs paid in advance for goods or services that will be received or used in the future. So to configure with the prepayments, you can just dive into the sales module. Under the configuration settings, we can find a field called prepayments. This would allow you to make the advance payment. So for the time being, I would like to make a 30% of the prepayment. So while making the prepayments, you also just need to ensure that you have enabled automatic invoices that would generate the invoice automatically when the online payment is confirmed. And you can see that we have the online signature and online payment. This requests the payment and signature in the quotations to validate the orders. So once you have made the changes in the configuration settings, you can just save the changes that you have made and you can just move on to the quotations, and we just need to create a quotation from the scratch. To create a new quotation, you can just choose a new button where you can just fill out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose the customer as Joy Wills, and you can choose a product over here. So I would like to choose a product as share flow protection over here, and you can set the product price. So I'm going to set it as 1,000 to 50. Afterwards, let's send this by email. Before that, let me save this and let's send this by email to the customer so that the customer will be gearing the quotation into their portal. And if he want to make the down payment for the product, he can just make it from his side, from his portal. So currently we have sent the quotation, and let's log out from this administrator and log in as the user. So you can just choose use another user, and let's log in as the portal user who is a customer, and you would be able to find that there are two quotations to review, and let's move on and choose a quotation that we just want to make manage. So here you can see that the customer can manage, like he can just sign and pay, and this also shows every detail such as the date, expiry date, the product details, the total price, the quantity, everything will be visible over here. Now let's click on sign and pay, and here you can see that the customer can just submit his signature and accept of this order. And here you can see the customer can either go with the down payment with the 30% of proposal, or he can just make the full payment. So currently he's going to make a 30% of the payment, and he's using the payment method as demo, and let's click on pay, and afterwards the payment is done, and he has just made a partial payment or a down payment. Now let's log out from this user and log in as the administrator, and here you can see that yeah, the advance payment or the prepayment will be added into the order line. So as you just move on to the orders, here you can see one thing is that the order is just confirmed because we have made the payment from the customer portal, and here you can see the quotation has just moved into the sales order, and the prepaid amount is just added under the order lines as the down payment. And now we can just deliver the item to the customer. Okay, so the item is available, so let's click on validate, and we have just done with the delivery of the item. Now we can just make the rest of the payment. To make the rest of the payment, again you can just choose a create invoice, and here you can see that we have already invoiced a particular amount which is shown over here, and you can just go with create invoice, and this would let you to confirm the order with the rest of the amount. So you only just need to make the rest of the payment, which is 875, and including a tax of 131.25, that is the 15% of tax. And now let's confirm this order, and you can see we have easily managed the prepayments in Odoo 18 sales module. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.